Welcome to Cakes Factory. Hello, cake lovers. We have turned sweet ideas into tasty inspiration. Today, we are showcasing 10 beautiful strawberry shortcake style that are perfect for any celebration or a juicy weekend dessert. Let's dive into. The first one is classic strawberry shortcake. Vanilla sponged white cream and fresh strawberry slice layered beautifully, a timeless favorite. The next is mini strawberry shortcake. Cute personal sized cake stuffed with cream and juicy berries, perfect for gifting or parties. The next is heart shaped shortcake. A romantic twist with heart shaped sponge and strawberry glaze, perfect for Valentine's or anniversaries. The next is Japanese strawberry shortcake. Light chiffon sponge, snowy white cream, and delight strawberry layers. A minimal yet dreamy dessert. The next is strawberry shortcake bento style. Boxed size mini cake with piped cream, cute strawberry, and fun. And pastel design great for lunchbox and surprises. The next is chocolate strawberry shortcake. Chocolate sponge with strawberries and cream, a heavenly mix of rich and fruity flavors. The next is strawberry shortcake tower. Layers of upon layer stuck into a tall tower. The ultimate strawberry dream. The next is floral strawberry shortcake, decorated with edible flowers, many leaves, and fresh cream. A garden party on a plate. The next is glazed strawberry shortcake, topped with a shiny strawberry glaze that drips over fresh cream and sponge, glossy and gorgeous. The next is rustic necked strawberry shortcake, no frosting on sides, just fresh strawberries, white cream peeking through every layer. Simple and stunning. If you like any idea, take a screenshot of it and bake that cake at your home so easily. These are fruit strawberry cakes that can easily bake at home. So you must try any idea. And so, which strawberry shortcake style would you love to try first? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily inspiration and ideas, and share this video to your fellow cake lovers or who love cake fruits or fruit cakes. New video every day. See you in the next slice of sweetness only on Cakes Factory, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any amazing update on Cakes Factory. Fruits are very healthy for yourself, so always try to eat a healthy food or healthy dessert. Make your dessert more special with strawberry and red charm of strawberries that attract everyone. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay blessed and happy baking. Till that, and take care of your loved ones who love baking. Share that video to your that friend or family member. Thank you. Goodbye.